Hi everybody, happy Monday. That's right, today is Monday. Today is Monday. Everybody needs to practice saying today is Monday. The month is April. Today is Monday, April 27th. And for the forecast today, I forgot to look it up. So we're going to look it up. And I will tell y'all. I hope you guys have a great day. Let's see. So for today, it's going to be a high of 86 and a 10% chance of rain. So we're going to go with...
What, honey?
You got chapstick? We're going to go with it's partially cloudy because it might rain today. Can I see that, please? You want to show everybody your pretty lips? You want to say happy Monday? Ready? Okay, say happy Monday. Happy Monday. So it's going to be 86 today, so we're going to say that's hot. Hot, hot, hot.
Choose a person.
Oh, we gotta choose our person because it's hot outside. We're gonna get them dressed.
Bottoms.
So if it's hot,
Shorts.
we're gonna wear shorts and our tops. I
Tops.
think a tank top would
Tank top.
be wonderful.
Mommy?
What about some shoes? Should she wear sandals or flip-flops?
The one.
Flip-flops?
Sandals.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna put some sandals on.
Hats.
What about a hat? Think she needs a hat?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So, we'll wear a floppy hat today.
Floppy hat. Accessories. No accessory.
I want soap.
Make a choice.
I want so good.
Outerwear.
We do not need a
No
coat
outerwear.
because it's hot.
Huh?
So, alright everybody, today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. We got cloudy and hot. Only a 10% chance of rain, so I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you log on to Canvas, watch your videos, and do your work.